like to announce my candidacy for the best job in the world. I have a passion for marine life in all aspects of my life.
Go, 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 shorty.
Now that you've seen my underwater exploits, let me tell you about my past marine life exploitation.
Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday.
I've been to San Diego and saw SeaWorld. I've been to Las Vegas where I went to the Shark Tank, but I didn't go in because it was too expensive, but I saw the posters around town a lot. I'm a world traveler and I speak 3 languages, Hungarian, English, and German, and also un poco Spanish.
Remember, I know stuff about Australia.